The coil, you can power electronic devices wirelessly. In other words, if you have one of these at your house and you left it on, you wouldn't need to plug in anything in order for those devices to work. They'd be able to get all the electricity that they need wirelessly through the air. When this is turned on, there's an invisible field of electricity that surrounds it. And electronic devices that are within that field, boom, they can operate. Nikola Tesla wanted to put big versions of these all over the country, and wherever you happen to travel, you'd be able to receive wireless electricity. Let's take another look. So you can actually see this operating something electronically, wirelessly, right now. We have some light bulbs set up on the north side of the Tesla coil cage. The important thing about those light bulbs is that they are not plugged into anything. So let's go ahead and turn this on again. I'm guessing you guys already noticed those light bulbs turning on, but you can actually see this wireless electricity powering something. It's pretty neat. Here we go. So wireless electrical power, that was the big idea. So